my vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 13, my lucky number. Alright, today we're going to talk about vegan in a hurry. A big complaint of people who decide to go vegan or are vegan is there's no recipes for just small portions, or it's too expensive, or I don't have the time to do that. This is going to be cheap, quick, and for a small group, one or two. So we're gonna have some noodle bowl today. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop our first bag of vegetables in the microwave for 5 minutes. While those are cooking, we're going to reconstitute our noodles. Here's the cheap part. It's ramen. It's so cheap, and it's available everywhere. And this flavor just so happens to be vegan.
What flavor is it?
It is original. This is going to be relatively healthy too. I mean, come on. It's going to be more healthy than takeout. So we're going to put the packet in first. Don't worry about, ooh, that's too salty. We're not going to use the juice. We're just going to use the juice to reconstitute the noodles and then throw the rest of that out. So I've got some water that I've already boiled over here. Just going to fill that up just so it will cover the noodles when I put the noodles in. Get in there. Alright, that's that. That's going to sit while we make our dressing. So in a jar, I'm going to put a half cup of water. I'm going to use a half cup of Liquid Aminos, which is basically low sodium soy sauce. Yeah, I'm going to get it all over the place.
No!
Yep, it's going everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Not to worry. This island has been well oiled. It's not a big deal. I'm not getting upset right now. Alright, and a quarter cup of sesame oil. If you're on low oil, I think you could probably leave the oil out. Put a little bit more. Alright, so it's bothering me a little bit. I'll just check that out. Making it worse, we're going to use a big fat clove of garlic. One big fat one or two not that fat one. Because I like a lot of garlic. If you don't like garlic that much, you could just get away with one. Scrape it all in. And we're going to be using a tablespoon of ginger. That was a little bit more. That's okay.
Hope you like ginger.
Yeah, I do. I'm just going to put in a little splash of rice vinegar just because why not, right? I'm going to put a carefully measured teaspoon of agave in there, or you could use granulated like coconut sugar or whatever sugar you want to use, and some scallions. I'm going to put the lid on. Hopefully it won't go everywhere when I shake it.
Make sure it's on there nice and tight.
Yeah. I'm going to give it a shake. Let that sit. As soon as that goes off, I'm going to flip over my noodles so that it soaks up on the other side. Alright, microwave says flip it. Alright, so we're going to swap these. We're going to put this bag in. We're going to take the other bag out. We're going to start assembling our dish. I'm going to just dump that one in there. By the way, in case you were interested, it's 2 bags of broccoli, sugar snap peas, carrots, and water chestnuts. If you don't want to do the microwave vegetables, feel free to steam some broccoli very quickly, some carrot shreds, open up a can of the water chestnuts, but this is just, it's convenient.
Open up a can of whoop ass.
Yeah. Alright, when that bag of vegetables is done, we're going to swap these again, and the last bag is shelled edamame. Alright, that was literally 15 minutes, and yes, I just had some nuts while I was waiting. So.
Oh boy.
Yep. So here's the edamame. It's a real dump situation.
Isn't it usually?
Yeah. So now we're just gonna add the noodles. Remember, don't use that water. Discard. Give this a fresh shake. Hope that it doesn't go everywhere. Alright, we're gonna use a few tablespoons of this. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. How many people thought we were gonna use the whole thing and they were
well, for a second I was like, what?
Yeah. Oh my god, all that soy sauce? No, this is for next time. So it's already ready when you're in a hurry. Alright. We're just gonna toss it and then we're gonna plate it. Alright, now we're ready to eat. I plated it up. Whoa. And I garnished it with some of the leftover scallions and my trusty sesame seeds.
Let's see your chopstick skills.
Not good. Terrible.
Oh boy, here we go. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that.
Mmm. Okay, bye. Delicious.
And so quick and easy.
Exactly. And small portions and cost effective. So I hope you give it a try. We're going to be having more.
Quick and easy.
In a hurry. Yeah, quick, easy, cheap, and small. It doesn't sound good, but you know what I mean. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know any concerns you're having during Veganuary in the comments. And until next time, much love.